In this lesson, we will learn about multiple linear regression analysis. We click Analyze, Regression, found Linear, then click. Then the following procedure is similar to simple linear regression. We found the dependent variable, use sharing intention, and put it into the dependent variable box. Then we choose the independent variables, from information to status seeking, and put them into the independent variable box. Then we click the OK button. And here are the results for multiple linear regression, including the model summary, ANOVA test, and coefficients table. And let me copy and paste these tables into PowerPoint slides and explain further.